We participated in wheelchair, para badminton and standing. The standing is standing lower, those who have the limbs on the lower part. Then we have the SU5, which is the standing for people who have lost just the hand, but they can play using their hands.
Timu ino igitanahirwo na ngoga 6, imwe iri ya thahabu kuuma kuri muthaki Ruth Mweni, 3 cia silver na imwe ya bronze, na gutiriha ngucanio ici mari a mbere thiini wa gitaru kia Afrika.
I managed to scoop gold in single event SS6. The competition was tough, though I delivered. I tried my best and I delivered.
Ona thengia ya uhotani na utorania uyu, athaki aya ni marahoya thirikari oro undu umwe na andu a wendi mwega makorwo makimanyitirira niguo kumateithia uguri-ini wa indo cia uthaki cia gikiro gia kimabũrũri, undu uria ukumaguna hanene hari wethi wa kamweke ga gugatungata thiini wa itaitano cia Tokyo Olympics mwaka wa 2020.
We have a long way to go. We are not yet in the path whereby we are going to say that we are almost in Tokyo. We can participate in some other events. There are so many organized all over the world.
The rackets that we were using for now, they are not of standard in a certain competition. So we need support for racket, good racket, competition racket, and also, like the way my colleague said, the wheelchairs that they are using, they are not the best for para badminton. They need good rackets for the competition.
Kiribotera methe ya mathako ya Kameme TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.